My name is Gina Gerrity, and I am the Chief Operating Officer.
I'm Dr. Daniel G. Kolder. I'm a plastic surgeon in Camarillo, California. My company is Pacifica Center for Plastic Surgery. Before, if we had an issue with something, we would have to email the company. The company would then create a ticket item for us. We would get that ticket item, and then it would take about 5 to 7 days to resolve that ticket item.
We would be sitting ducks, and we wouldn't be able to work on our computers or work at all.
The way we found Productive IT Solutions was we were trying to figure out shortcuts within our EMR, and somebody in San Diego said, hey, there's somebody in your area that kind of does that, and it's Productive IT Solutions.
Now I can just pick up the phone and dial a number or send a text or an email, and it gets resolved within minutes.
Productive IT Solutions has been one of the best companies that we've worked with in the last 15 years.